Good morning, everyone. We're back. We're here to do the cooking again with our mini Trangia. Today, we're gonna be making chicken burger. And these are the ingredients: beaten egg, a bit of garlic, chopped, a bit of coriander, chopped, onion, chopped, and tarragon, paprika, parsley, rainbow pepper, and a bit of olive oil. Now we're gonna start with putting everything in. Goes in there, garlic goes in there. We're gonna be mixing all this. Goes in there. And the egg, of course. Tarragon, a dash, parsley, paprika to add the color, and
fresh
black pepper, and olive oil. Now we're going to be mashing it. Mix them well.
Some people like to put some spice, so if it's you, just put some chili flakes on it. Some people want a bit of sweetness. You can put a drop of honey if you like.
Or a bit of salt if you like. Not too much salt because it will dehydrate the meat.
Just make it your own mix.
Hello, now I've done 2 chicken burger patty. I put it on the side here because I'm going to start this mini Trangia cooker first. Look, I've already put the spirit in there. It's this one to make a fire. Now I'm going to start with this lighter. You can't see much because of the light, but you know, it's already got fire on it. I'm gonna put this on top of it. I'm gonna put olive oil, just a drop. I'm gonna use this I'm going to start putting this patty on now. Just wait till it's cooked on the other underside, then I'm gonna turn it sizzling now. I'll just wait maybe a few more minutes. Gonna turn it over. That's the next one. That's the kind of burger I like. It's getting too hot now. We're good now. It's too much. We're gonna tame this fire. To stop the fire. Now we don't need it anymore. So we're almost all done now. I'm just gonna. Now our chicken is done. We're gonna do the burger bun now. We got cheese, mayonnaise, lettuce,
And ketchup.
ketchup, of course. It's a sachet only. See that?
Right, so we're gonna do the other way now. Start with the lettuce, the burger. Ketchup and mayo on the bread.
Don't need a lot of ketchup. Need a lot of mayo.
And then the cheese.
Sorry. Forgot the cheese. There you go. Got a burger bun. Chicken burger bun. Okay, thanks very much guys. Please continue watching, likes and subscribe.
Thank you guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Good
you.
day. Thank you.
Bye-bye.